Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to have our kid engineers teach us how to build an RC course, all of their imaginations. So enjoy. So we're building a RC course back in my grandpa's pasture. All right, explain to me how this is going to go on our track. Is this going to flip my truck, or is it going to make it so it can get down?
I think it's trying to like zoom down, like make it go faster. When it goes down, it'll just go running down.
What about you? What's your plan?
My plan is that instead of like this, I was thinking we should like do this and create like something that so not like that, but even though this is like steep, I was thinking we could create like a little like mountain.
What if we went back like this and then tip this down like this? Yeah, you could put your paintbrush right here.
And I was also thinking,
and maybe that would make a difficult little incline.
I was thinking if we use that to like stand up, it can maybe be like a bridge, so it goes up.
Ooh, so you're talking about making a bridge right here. So we put a piece of wood across this, and then put these rocks right here, and then put something right here to make a bridge.
No, I'm saying like we need this.
So we need wood right here to keep this one up.
Yeah,
Okay.
And we put it right here.
So what if we put this one at the end of this ramp right here? Okay. So let's do that. Okay, go find some stuff to do that.
Okay, so we're just done finishing the track, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna showcase. So here's the granite. He made like a little balance beam and a longboard down, and then we created like this, I don't know, truck, monster truck, and then I put this here to make it more difficult. And then we created all of this. Oh, this is supposed to be right there. And also created more and put it like this. And then lastly, me and my nephews put a little more. And then me and Jordan, or Jordan Outdoors, which is my cousin, we decided to put this ramp here, so I decided to make down. I'm gonna secretly move this. Actually, no, that'd be a little bit rude, but okay, that's the track.
Jimmy Rig course. Okay. Jimmy Rig course, test number 2. Oh, also, we fixed some stuff, so I think you want to see at the end.
Exactly. We improved some sections where it'll be more rideable.
And also, I made a section that's so cool that feels like a Sunny Pit tunnel. So you want to see that.
What are you doing? Emily, ladies and gentlemen, doll, and it's diving really cool, and it's dying. Look at it. Oh no, we need help.
Now what? You want to be in the video? Okay.
And if kids go to best way, it's the wow.
Okay, through the ant course right
The
here.
ant jungle.
Okay, because there's ants right here. There we go. Through the jungle rig.
All right.
Hey, Rick, that's your engine. It's just okay, so...
Here, just a second.
A big
We're-
rocket.
Oh, this section is too thin. We need to find something wider for this section right here.
Are you trying to make a microphone?
No, this is the real microphone. What's up, by the way? My name's Micah, the Amazing Credibles. What's the finish line? What's the finish line? What's the finish line? Don't be naked. What's the finish line now?
So close.
Oh, it's working.
Let's go. Here
Okay,
it is.
move.
This, okay, through the Sunny Pig section.
It went. Oh, they used the back.
Let's go.
Is that
Is he gonna make it into the cardboard box?
It went.
Yeah, let's go.
Good job,
I
guys.